Sea animals. Clam.
Clam. Clam.
I like eating clam meat.
I like eating clam meat.
Crab.
Crab. Crab.
I observed a crab crawling on the beach.
I observed a crab crawling on the beach.
Squid.
Squid. Squid.
My favorite food is fried squid.
My favorite food is fried squid.
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
I made grilled shrimp for lunch.
I made grilled shrimp for lunch.
Tuna.
Tuna. Tuna.
Tuna salad is a healthy option for a light meal.
Tuna salad is a healthy option for a light meal.
Lobster.
Lobster. Lobster.
My favorite dish is steamed lobster.
My favorite dish is steamed lobster.
Review.
What's this?
Clam.
Clam. Clam.
What's this?
Crab.
Crab. Crab.
What's this?
Squid.
Squid. Squid.
What's this?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
What's this?
Tuna.
Tuna. Tuna.
What's this?
Lobster.
Lobster. Lobster.